Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a curious little boy named Timmy. Timmy loved to explore and learn about the world around him. One night, he heard a strange noise coming from the forest. Timmy decided to investigate. As he ventured into the woods, he noticed the trees glowing with a soft, green light. He followed the light and found himself in a clearing where he saw a group of parademons. The parademons were colorful creatures with large, round heads and long, slender bodies. They had glowing eyes and seemed to be made of light. Timmy was scared at first, but then he noticed they were not harmful. The parademons were curious about Timmy too. They approached him and began to communicate with him using their thoughts. Timmy learned that they were from another world, but they had come to Earth to learn about it. The parademons showed Timmy many wondrous things. They showed him how to make the trees glow, how to make the wind whisper secrets, and how to make the river sing. Timmy was amazed and grateful for the new knowledge he had gained. As the night came to an end, the parademons thanked Timmy for his friendship and promised to return one day. Timmy waved goodbye and went back to his village, filled with excitement and wonder. From that night on, Timmy had many more adventures with the parademons. He learned so much about the world and the universe, and he made lifelong friends in the process. He realized that there was so much more to explore and learn, and he couldn't wait to see what the future held. The end.